bring SF to Berlin.
Since last night?
7 specific tracks.
The first runner-up.
The first prize is the 10K cash prize.
So here we are at the Delta campus. 5 minutes till the door opening. As you can see, the queue is massive. It's 10 a.m. and the line outside Delta campus stretches around the block. 400 developers, some queuing since 2 a.m. Hello and welcome.
Thank you.
To the Big Berlin Hack. So what was the last time you attended a hackathon?
That was a while ago. I think it must have been 5 years. I was amazed how packed it was when I was here 20 minutes earlier. It was already pretty packed and the queue was already going around the corner.
We have just 30 minutes to set up the acoustics and tele booth. Before we have even finished, the first conversations begin. The interest in voice AI is unmistakable. As you guys can see, we are right now at the Big Berlin Hack 2026. The people are going to start hacking basically in a couple of minutes. The deadline, hard deadline, is a bit over 24 hours from now, so it's 2 p.m. and at 3 p.m. we are expecting the finalists.
Voice becoming the new interface of technology, so inviting you to build something around voice commands, voice control, run wild in your imagination, but build it in a robust way so it works in real life.
7 specific tracks with specific prizes and 1 wildcard track. Each of those is going to have 1 finalist. Those finalists then win their specific track prizes, but also going to compete here in the final tomorrow for the prizes you see on the right side. So this left side are the track prizes. We're going to go through everything one by one later. And then we have the main prize, which is for the first prize, the 10K cash prize. Shortly after, our founder Fabian and Yannick from Teli take the stage to officially launch our track, Voice AI in the Wild. The hackathon is on. And now coming to the next track, and a combined track, I would like to welcome on stage Teli and AI Acoustics.
We enable teams that lack capacity for outbound, inbound, every use case you can think of. You're trying to do sales, voice agents can do that. They don't sleep, they have no capacity limits. So really cool stuff.
Basically, we want you to build a voice application. It can be a range of applications, so to say. It can be a voice agent, of course. It can be a meeting note. It can be a fitness tracker. It can be a companion or an AI pal or something like this. Most important is it has a voice input and it works in real world conditions. So not just in an office space, but also maybe if you go outside or have interfering voices or noises and all these kinds of parts.
What's it called? The ATC, the radio between the...
This word here, it says SIG, SIG is in Swedish say means that's the reflexive pronoun of...
Throughout the day, our team stays close to the participants, answering questions at the booth, supporting them on Discord, and walking the floor to see what's being built. The next morning, momentum picks up again. By 2 p.m., submissions close. 10 projects in total. 3 clear standouts: Sentinel, Vibrave, and Smoothie.
Music. What library are you using for the music?
For the music, we are using the Strato.
Strato,
yeah.
The music part and code is very rigid until it's compliant directly on this. So it's
zero.
We go like that. Make some noise.
Whoa!
Slow.
We just need to if you guys use a tight lace to tight, it's still trying to modify the parameters of your SDK. So give how much controller of the SUSDK to reduce the noise. It's still not that perfect, but we're still trying to do that.
Because in the end, we had
After careful review, we make our decision.
So, the first runner-up is Vibrate. Second one is Smoothie. And the third runner-up is Sentinel. They connected the computer vision with audio, and also we really loved the tool where you can actually evaluate the correctness of the voice AI agents. The winner is... Everyone, come on. Smoothie! Where are you guys? Come here.
Hi. Everyone said AI is changing the world. But my mom is in South Korea. I'm in Berlin. She ever used the AI. Typing the AI is complicated for the elderly, and the screen is small. She don't know what to go. But she needs help by someone else. So that's why she's relying on calling.
Good morning, Margaret. How are you feeling today? Did you sleep well last night?
Yes, I slept fine, but I have a little bit of a headache.
Oh, I'm so sorry to hear that. Are you feeling okay now? Did you manage to take your night medicines last night?
Yeah, I took some, but maybe I took some wrong medicine. I'm not really sure. I don't really remember, but now I'm not really feeling well.
Don't worry. Please get some rest today. I'll let your doctor know to check in with you, and I'll keep Sarah updated too.
Oh, thank you, my dear.
Of course. You're doing great, Margaret. Get some rest, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Take care.
And then how we solve the problem? We use the AI acoustic to remove the background noise because they are in the very noisy situation. They are already TV on, so we need to get rid of all the background noise. And then we use the two, instead of using one voice AI, we are using two voice AI, which is reacting fast to reduce the latency. And then the other one is the solve the complex problem with the tool calling and then solve the problem exactly. And then that's why we go with the conscious way like human do, and then notify the doctor and the family member. And this is architecture how we implement. As explained, we have a 3 target user who will use our service, and then in the between, after we get the voice, the AI acoustic will get rid of all the noise, and then send it to our backend service. Our backend, your brain system will take care about, first of all, conscious will fast answer to not feel like they're left alone. And then at the same time, unconscious is working, and then once it's done, it responds to the concrete solution, which is the less hallucination is working. And then we are using the other tool, and then thank you for the support for this tool to implement this service.
Smoothie goes on to win the Gradium Prize and is named overall winner of the entire hackathon. A strong validation of the work we are doing and the developer community building alongside us.